Hi guys, good morning. So today, it's our day off. It's December 10. So guys, kaya busy tayo. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nakakapag-vlog because ito na naman si Clayton. Hi there. Ang kulit niya. Gustong-gusto niya lagi nasa video. Say hi there. Say hi there. You have to say a word. You just don't do like that. You have to say hi there. Say na, hi there. So guys, anyways, me and my husband decided to apply my parents na mag-visit dito sa amin. I started already their application like no, I think it was October 30, but we're still waiting for my dad's passport, so that's why everything is already in there. So yeah, I hope na ma-receive ko ngayon kasi ngayon siya kukuha ng passport at saka tsaka iuwi niyo pa dun sa amin. He's in Santiago, so that's why. Hey guys, pasensya na kayo. Si Clayton kasi gusto niya din mag-video. Anyways, I'm just the only one doing the application. I did not hire any consultant or someone because it's very expensive. So I inquire on one agency that process visa here in Canada, and it's very expensive. I find it very expensive. So they asked me like $1,800. So I said I'll just try my best to apply them. I hope it will approve though. This will be my first time applying because my papers back home before I came here, it was processed by or through a consultant. We just paid because by then I was so busy. I was at work, so that's why. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be showing you how I did the application. So this video will serve as like a basis, like how the process went through. Okay? Okay guys, so nag-join ako dun sa group na na nagdi-DIY ng mga application. So this one here, may new portal kasi yung yung IRCC. So nag-sign in ako diyan, tas ilagay lang yung email address, ganun, tapos yung login. Guys, ayan, nabuksan ko na yung account. I-accept lang. Tas dito ma-check na natin kung ano yung ito yung application. So I created the application October 31. So these two application because it's for my mom and my dad. My dad, I redid his application thing over here because I accidentally deleted it. So that's why. Yan. So you just have to continue because I'm not yet done. That's why. Just click continue. It's a bit slow. Okay. So this is for my mom and this is for my dad. Actually, my mom's papers are already complete. I'm just waiting for my dad's passport as I said. So ayun lang. Ko-continue lang, tapos just fill whatever needed to be filled. Yun lang. Guys, submit ko na yung application ng nanay at tatay ko. Let's do this! Yay! Let's see. Hopefully, positive result. Guys, $200 yung babayaran sa sa visitor visa application. Pero yung biometrics nila, $170. So, total of $370. Let's do this. Ilagay ko na yung card. Guys, approve na yung transaction natin. Ayan na, transaction approved. Nakabayad na tayo. Guys, time check. It's already 8:20. So, nasubmit ko na yung application nila nanay at tatay. Pero ito na. Nagbayad na tayo. Ito yung sabi. Ayan, congratulations. Your application have been submitted. Guys, ayan ang sabi. Congratulations. Then we'll contact you daw. Ayan. Ayan. Yuhu! December 14. Tapos guys, na-receive ko na pala yung yung email ng biometric instruction ng parents ko para sa kanilang visit visa. So ayun, sinend ko na sa family ko, and they're traveling to Manila right now. And I scheduled their biometric December 16 para at least makapagpahinga muna sila doon. So ayun, update lang guys sa what's going on with their application. I hope na they will get visa pretty soon so they can come here and visit us. Right, Clayton? Hi! Guys, kinakabahan ako kasi may na-receive akong IRCC na email. Siguro yung pa na siguro, yung news na para sa passport ng parents ko. Okay, let's check. Check natin, hope for the positive result. Yay! Oh. Yay! Tignan niyo si Clayton yung outfit niya. Oo. Tapos yung medyas niya, ayan. Anyways, check natin. So guys, nagtutupi ako ng damit kasi ang daming tupiin. Pero check ko lang itong yung message ng IRCC. I-open ko pa lang yung laptop. Ang tagal. Kinakabahan ako guys kasi hindi ako nag-hire talaga ng consultant. Ako lang gumawa dun sa application nila. Kaya nakakabahan ako kasi syempre halimbawa pag hindi ma-approve, ganun, kasi ang mahal kasi ng consultant, $1,800. Diba, pamasahin na nila yun papunta dito. So ayun, hopefully it will be approved. Hope for the best. Okay, guys, so ito na yung email ng IRCC. Ayan, bago lang yan guys. Nung lang, ayan, 9:58 PM lang. Actually na-view ko na siya, pero lang siya, yung bang sasabihin lang na na may email, na may update dun sa status. Kailangan ko talagang mag-login doon sa IRCC para makita kung ano yung update na nilagay nila. So ngayon magla-login ako dun sa account ko. So dyan ka magla-login. Yan yung login guys, IRCC portal. Ilagay lang yung login ID at saka yung password. And then lalabas yan, terms and condition, again, accept lang. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya, kinakabahan ako. Ako muna ang titingin guys. Ay, ayun na pala, may 2 messages. Ayan, 200 messages. Ay, kinakabahan talaga ako guys. Kasi ako lang talagang gumawa ng application. I'm not sure kung kung okay ba, ganun. Kasi nung nag-migrate ako dito sa Canada, nagkumuha talaga kami ng consultant. Kasi feeling ko hindi ko kayang gawin yung application. Pero ngayon, kasi alam ko na kung magkano ang halaga ng magkagawa ng ganun. Sobrang mahal. So, wag na lang. Ako na ako. Your application was look. Wow, your application. You need to send us your passport. Guys, approved na siya. Ayan na. Yay! Yay! Approve na si tatay. Yay! Guys, hindi na kailangan. Approve na. Sobrang happy ako guys. Kung approve na si tatay, for sure approve na rin yung nanay ko. So, mag-send na lang sila ng passport nila, tapos pwede may visa na sila. Yay! Kasi nowadays, I think yung iba kailangan pa ng medical ngayon. Sila hindi na kinailangan ng medical. Yay! Although okay lang naman kung kailangan ng medical para at least ma-check kung okay ba sila or no. Sorry. Hindi ako makasigaw kasi natutulog pa si Jan. Sobrang happy ko talaga. Okay guys, check ko muna to. Balikan ko na lang kayo. Yun lang guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo kung ano. So bale, wait. Ayan. Nung December 10 ko sinend yung application. Tapos December 22, approve na sila. Ayan no. Your application was approved. Wow, I can't believe. So ilang days lang, 12 days lang guys. 12 days lang. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi ako lang ang gumawa. Check naman natin ngayon yung application ng nanay ko. Check natin. Ayun, 200 messages din siya. Guys, approve na din siya. Oh, your application was approved. Wow, ang swerte talaga namin. Yan, biometric validity, regional passport request na din. Thank you, Lord. Talaga. Guys, approve din si nanay. Thank you. Okay guys, yan din yung kay nanay ko. So, bali yung application nila guys, bali 12 days lang. Pero yung nakalagay sa ano, dapat 28 days processing pa siya. So, 12 days lang na-approve na agad yung application nila. So, I really feel thankful, of course, first to the Lord kasi ginaid niya ako sa paggawa nito. Kasi first time kong gumawa, ako lang din. And sa friend ko na tumulong sa akin na gumawa ng invitation letter, pinakorek ko kasi yung ano, yung invitation letter ko kasi baka mamaya wrong grammar pala. Hi Michi, thank you. Guys, by the way, nasend na pala yung passport ng parents ko. Nung Monday, I think that's ano bang date this Monday? 27, 28. So, nag-text yung ano, yung VFS na na-receive na nila this Thursday. So, pa-process na, nasa IRCC na yung passport nila, mother. And wait na lang ng visa nila. Yan na. Yeah.
Kaya kita lang ng passport mo. Pag nag-investigate na yata video, yari na i-klase ng visa na basta investigate mo lang ito kaka.
Kaya bro.
Pero sigaw mo na.
Kawan sa eh. Delikado ka.
Pupilan mo.
Tancap mo sa ulo.
Lanjak ko sana pupi.
Hindi na dalago na, yung visa ko na. Dalago ng passport mo, dalago ng papel na, lama, dalago. Kasi yung matan yung ato. O, diba? Dalago ng tulak ko na ito. Kasi yung mayari na ko, yari lago na, mayari ka pa. Face na. Ane, kasi yung matan yung anak ko. Visa ko na. Hindi nga, years siya rin ko na 2030. So, 8 years yun. 8 years siya ito yung visa. Kaya na siko.
Yeah, wag to reaction na.
Iya, good reaction.
Actual ako mo.
Ano na 2021 to ano na 2030 yan yung visa. So, pwede mo no to ulit ang Canada to Mamimpiga. Basta magati ng 2030.
Magaling 2030 ning sa manono wali.
Lisensya ka ba niya?
Nawala ba loy?
Oo.
Nawala ba na loy passport eh. Ini mana na mo to eh.
Dari nga, ganiyama.
Bisa. Ano dapat?
2031 kan yama, swerte na.
2031, siyempre ulan mo nga ano.
Hi guys! So today is January 7 na dito sa Canada, pero it's January 8 na dyan sa Pilipinas. And just an update, kadarating ng visa nila nanay at tatay. So pwede na silang pumunta ng Canada anytime soon. Anyway, we already booked flight para sa kanila. And susurprise namin sila. Yay! Say hi! Hi there, family in Philippines! Philippines! Very good. Lola! Lolo! Very good. Ayun guys, sana may napulot kayong aral dito sa ating video and see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Okay, say bye-bye na, Clayton. Bye!
Bye-bye.